Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Leave a comment on the video, and click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. All right, today is a real simple dish. It is basically the best onion dip of your life. So, in a pot over about medium low to low heat, I have 4 tablespoons of butter that I melted up, obviously. Then I added 1 medium Vidalia onion that I minced up. And basically, I'm just gonna cook this a little bit till the onions start to get a little translucent. So now with the oven preheated to 375 degrees, and the onions kind of par cooked, just enough to kind of get married to the butter, you want to spread these out in a single layer on the baking sheet, and then you want to cook this again at 375 for about 50 to 60 minutes, and you want to stir this about once every 10 minutes or so, just so keep everything even. But do keep it, start keeping an eye on it at the 40-minute mark, just so the onions don't, get super burnt or super brown. And just keep an eye on them. You don't want them, overly cooked. And then after that, I transferred them to a paper towel-lined bowl and let them drain for a little bit. All right, let's make the dip. All right, to make the dip, it's very, very simple. 16 ounces of sour cream to our deli container or to a bowl. And I would recommend making this only if you're having a number of people come over. I'll explain why at the end of the video. So 16 ounces of sour cream. And then we add our onions. By the way, this is vegetarian fine. It's not vegan compliant, but screw vegans. And then just salt and pepper. That's all for the ingredients. Then you just want to stir this around, make sure everything's mixed together. Let it chill out in the fridge for at least an hour, and you're good to go. The only drawback with this dish is that it only lasts 4 days in the fridge. So if you bust this one out, make sure, again, it's a party, a potluck, something of that nature. And when it's done, it should look something a little bit like this. So that is the best chip dip of your life. Done.